Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to our Drummond channel. It's Monday after the close on October 23rd, and this is an update on crude oil and the emini, S&P emini, and see how crude oil is performing on a little bit longer term, and then we're going to dig into the emini and see what the targets are for tomorrow. For those of you familiar with the Drummond methodology, you know that this bar here was weekly congestion entrance, okay? And we've been oscillating down underneath the PL dot, now moved last week up above the PL dot, and likely we're headed down here to the weekly envelope bottom, and this is weekly congestion. And to put that in the context of the monthly chart, monthly C wave, monthly C wave, monthly C wave into yearly resistance, a yearly Drummond line of 5-1 down. And so the energy is run into some resistance, and now it's backed off. And we had the market gap up a couple of Sundays ago, and the talking heads were calling for, immediately calling for $150 oil, and that has not been the case. Our forecast has been solid thus far, and we were expecting that this area up in here would be strong resistance because, and you can see on the weekly chart, there's a quarterly envelope top, there's a monthly envelope top, and then above that, up in this area, was that yearly resistance. And the market, you can see over here on the daily chart, the market's reacted to that again and is pushing down, broke through the daily envelope, bottom. It got down to the weekly PL dot, and it held there on close. And so we're seeing some downward push. I don't think it's done yet. Tomorrow, there's the daily envelope bottom coming in about where the price should open. There's a 1-1 high, or I'm sorry, there's a 1-1 low down below that. And then again, I'm expecting this weekly PL dot to be, weekly envelope bottom to be the target for this week. And I think at that point, this correction might be over, and we're going to start looking for this upward trend to resume, at least up towards the weekly envelope top, if not up towards another breakout just above last month's high. Now for the S&P E-mini, you can see where we closed today, and we're throwing some targets over here for tomorrow. And 1-1 low is down there. And we have the weekly and daily, tough to talk today. Weekly and daily envelope bottoms are coming in here. Of course, this is the daily PL dot and monthly envelope top. So I should tell you what you're seeing here you're seeing the silver version on the left of the daily chart. In the middle, you're seeing the daily chart of the Holy Grail with a 30-minute Holy Grail on the right. I wanted to show you how you can get your targets also from this same, this Holy Grail chart, because it's roughly the same thing here. That one corresponds there. This one corresponds roughly to here. This is the green bar here. We call that the airbag. That's the pivot line, the 50% line, and that's coming in up here. And then if we get up a little bit higher, up into this range. So that the forecast, I guess, for the daily range can be derived from the Holy Grail, or it can be derived from the silver version. And you can also do this on your own with the free version. And I've shown that in detail in a couple of videos in the educational playlist. I'd also like to show you a couple of Drummond lines coming in for tomorrow. Here's a 5-2 up. There's going to be a 5-9 down up above the envelope top, and also a 6-1 down up in that area as well. So they're a pretty good cluster of resistance, and that would be up in this area up here for tomorrow. So that should give you some target areas for tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks for watching. We'll talk to you again soon.